Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve 2024 AMC 12A problem series, problem 3. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. Problem 3 is the number 2024 can be written as the sum, not necessarily distinct two digits numbers. What is the least number of two digits need to write sum? And the options that are given for A, B, C, D and E are in this question 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So if we want to least number of two digit number, we maximize the two digit number by choosing maximum two digit is 99 as possible, since we will write 2024 equals 99 and we will write this as 20 plus 24, and this 44 will be multiplied by 1. So we are choosing 99 and 1 is 44. This will be 20 plus 44. So of this we get, we choose 20, 99 and 44, 1. We have choose these two number. Therefore, a total will be write as 21. So we will solve this by another way, that 2024 can be write as 100 into 20 plus 24, since we know that 100 equals 99 plus 1. So it will multiply by 20 plus. Now 100 can be write as 99 plus 1. So in the next step we will write this as applying the associative property. 99, it will be multiplied with 20 plus 1. And here we have 20 plus 24. So we get 99 multiply with 20 plus 24, 44. So it will become 44. So therefore a total will be 21. So this will be the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve the problem 4. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.